You know right, assassini, airport in my eye, moja nananu shegu edigu on my eye.
It's here for Memo Bibi Akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Na Captain Smart aba bontin aba bekansen bi. Na for me I'm seeing say a response bi what they ba a year rather a bit too late, but still I was say kasa found. And then your first time we have Mr. Subscribe and click the notification bell on it so we understand latest news be about once ebeka. We have a new YouTube channel. Link no comment box ni mo click and subscribe and my onim say Canada Japan sisi abono na wo trendy. Aha ni din ni de wo GB na wo je edeko. Na asem ni na mu no on say Canada Japan sem a wo kan wo sanso blame media. Waka no on countless occasions say wo no Canada Japan no kra ni nyame anim ni. Ghana yesi wo bi ebebo wo man na eye media no. Just for the mere fact say mama wati ase ejuran sem a esi ye no media reporter wo mo de baaye say kaka wo yobi a wo ye fix the country ni ende wo mo pese ye tie ase say kaka ne kra won ka fix the country now so family na ka say he aligned himself with the thoughts of a fix the country for no me Melodies amiti hey mama wati ase say the fix the country campaigners no I am supporting them. It is because a Melody so you fix the country near. Yes, nibakume to me akanza because yes, I agree with their ideology. But asem ne ba no ye dani asem no akran no nya fix the country. Meanwhile, we showed you guys the profile. And I say Melodies and me yes ejuma no. Me be try mo branch and the profile. Me be try mo branch and the videos. Now what trouble videos ne on hashtag fix the country. So what more evidence do you need to know say or can fix the country for no? But you see, akwa than politics. Because you can't say can fix the country for now because it will give the government sort of a bad name in you know. You see you use any free ho. Mama what you say asemwa esinin so two stories and in fact 3 stories from 2 different people. Bako from family, 2 from one lady. Now 2 from one lady and the second one no because that narrative no in a way eyi inkrofobia efi asemu ni ntino me hu ne say sa narrative de na aban impanyufo bebre na e de asem no enam police for na nkasakra mo de sa narrative no enenam na wo be hu na nsen Canada Japan ko media so a wo say media for okan e won na 2 wasanso kan wo Man FM waka a lot of okoka on Metro TV so on the Poadomo show no just an answer baby obeko bia waka was say Ghana say war besia eye media no na be kose wo media no na be kose wo na obi san say dey na media no na be kose wo asem a wo kan say abrantie no won ka fix the country for ho ana so asem a be kan say abrantie no eye ni nua na eku no na so sisia no ye ka say fix the country ni na yakwa akoku no. But even with that thing that Canada Japan work cannot be sound, who said their work cannot, is it a lie? Say Ghana for your case and the Pakwana you fix the country ni ya kwa kukuna, is it a lie? He belonged to the fix the country. He associated himself with the ideologies of the fix the country people. And he was killed. It's me ba monte because fix the country ni ya kwa kukuna. Me chantro ya back in Japan is making it look like a yantro. Na Captain Smart and so dia ebemu and they say one say Canada Japan na Captain Smart on Angel FM for ebenya asem Canada Japan ba bonten ebegu nanimu ase quote on quote ankofo bebre ba bonten be kasa no when say Captain Smart for me personally I didn't hear him speak on the issue na ende we reveal the entire one kasa na what the film aka track in the Japan say sansem aka in Japan ka say media no na ebe kose wo e wo man we mu a sa de na nya ne kre enye media na ebe kose wo bia na wo we no ka say the reason why I wono why na adwen say na nsen nyama bi aka in Japan be kan won free ne say wono Captain's man no hu ne say Canada Japan freedom fighter ensem ni bia wo ka no ne kre o say ensem ni bia Canada Japan ka no ne kre eto de bia He thinks about the normal Ghanaian. And I mean, indeed, it is true. For Kennedy Aponto to take $3 million of his own money to go and set up a cardiothoracic center, I think so. I mean, he's thinking about the normal Ghanaian. For Kennedy Aponto, Onankasa Nisika yetena has a report this our story no. Ekofa a year Ghana for no more stranded. Na osisika no wode koto na mse odisika no koto watch said Ghana for more stranded or Lebanon okofo mobile. That means he's thinking about the normal Ghanaian. For Kennedy Aponto to provide PPEs, I think he was one of the first public people to provide PPEs and hospital beds and brana coronavirus in sense the course. So yes, so that one me can say and say Kennedy Aponto and Crawford about Bontin Bimo or more support and yes, be people who are close. Since a base Anglophone crack and Japan doesn't know them. But omo feel say omo don see obi anti no ko kan ne ho asem na papa na abone kra na ana asem a wo kan ye futu ana bibi kra na ye ba abontin bebo wechi no ebi mo ahya say send me message. But ye ka kan Japan ho asem pa, you people don't share the video and send a message no sir. Come channel ne so na ko hwe nsem pa maka fa Kennedy Japan ho na hwe mo kra mo hwe because that's not what you want to hear. Na so bi okoya ade ni ye ba beka nipa kra wo ye papa ye ka no wo no ano ye boni a ye beka na wasama wo kan ye and the media be we no is it the truth? Well, I accept the fact say media for no ebi mu wo ho a kre but bisa ho say Kennedy Japan na ankasa no ni media firm na wo no ankasa wo oni no dey no mo ye say ye ka say radio station and a TV station bi wo Ghana has ya eden to kwa beba then na 2 any Oman FM. Do you listen to their discussions? Utien someone crofo we wo moka e wo mo radio ne so. And so for Kennedy Japan to bypass omo na what the blame e ba beto other people so no, for me I don't agree. Ne 2 hey o de na 2 yen fa sa show ne keke show na your friend no friend saying the seat hot seat was the seat show na ya na dey no confuse me. Look at the number of people you've degraded on that show, especially in software. Now say story be a damn 2 days near was me the story neba me nya time and fast story number. The former IGP we sue ne 2 any then host no Justice Kwekwana and minyambra me the story neba minyambra nti star story number. We sue Justice Kwekwana. Why? Because wakokeka nsem ye wo ha Nigeria for ebetron krata mamo say bu host na wo sa show ne so no nsem a wo kan fa Nigeria for mo Ghana entwa ye tesa wa kan for Nigeria for ni na say Nigeria for ni na moti Ghana ye criminals ye kan obi a wode ntokwa beba wo man we mu a obepa na tu ho na ba ko blame Joy News obepa na tu ho no akọ blame City FM obepa na tu ho no akọ blame Asempa ana TV3 obepa na tu ho no akọ blame GH1 no ye kan obi a wode ntokwa besi o man we mu a obepa na tu no akọ blame these people, especially that show. You don't care about people. You don't care say nipa ko asem a me kan fa ne ho no ene show no mo be gina hwe so for penny party say that word mills say na mo di ne chief form e wo show ne so say that word mills hwe senya so fui wo commanding nkrofo e wo man we mu that word mills say na wo commanding nkrofo wo man we mu so won nankasa nkrofo class sorry na ne nkrofo sorry say hey ade am aye ne nti yanso ye beye gidigidi ye beye we ya masa woni mi ntoko ebesi wo man we mu nti ye ka radio station ana media fo a ede ntoko abesi wo man we mu a mesre Kennedy Japan say wonno ne de no mo mpa ho mo mpa na tu edwuma wo mo ye oman ne fe mo mpa ho in someone ye keka efa mahama ho na ye sei na ye de sobo e bono eni wakokun we o wakoye we o Kennedy Japan na nya na tu na no okotena so a wo be allergy ye se JB Danko awo no mahama nim hu bi enya na tu ho na ni bisa o enya na tu ho na asem ben e wo Ghana ha sei ena nka ebe kose ntokwa esen san nsem a Kennedy Japan koka wo na tu no asem ben ena ebe kose ntokwa since asem no. Imagine if people who loved Mahama sorry ye say aden ena odi owo hye ne sa odi o sorry odi owo hye nkrofo aden na odi owo hye ne sa ye mpene a. Imagine nanka ho na nka akose ntokwa TV station men ena Kennedy Japan de kwa kasa fa judges ho a eno so beda ne asem enye na tu na inti nanka ye kan ntokwa nka ho na ebe kose ntokwa. You see maka mesi Ghana ha say no senya nkrofo biete no de omo ye ne say ade a wo mo ayo what they do what they are known for. So obi koye bia no momom etwa echi ebe criticize san nipa kro no ya na wa osu ti say na se bia so mesi no no wo nim say ade a wo no wo ye no enu mo ndi ntokwa beba na nke ye kan personality bi ne nsem a woka senya wokasa ede ntokwa besi wo man mu a nanka hwan ena sin Kennedy Japan nyama ye oye. All these questions I'm asking simple questions so because yes Captain Smart nsem a wono so aka no ena me nso me adibi Captain Smart say Kennedy Japan a wokasa media na ede ntokwa beba no so wo Kennedy Japan no wo na tu Oman FM so ye o de ejuma be no omo ye wo ho nti ye ka so obi de ntokwa beba nka ho amu na ede beba. Nti yes me too I'm asking questions because question de obetumi ebisa na de wuwe bisa no nso ye bebisa ubi na no nso ye no bi na o ye sure so obu mfu na nka ntokwa ben. Imagine say Ahmed Swale and Muslims sorry ye embra Kennedy Japan ko kasa say munchi Ahmed Swale mbono. Imagine say Kenya Ahmed Swale otimadina o. Imagine say Kennedy Japan na tu ni Oman FM na wo Madina no na Kamadina fo zongo fo se dabi yen brother na waba be yewe yen pene na nkomo akwa akogu wo ono so Kennedy Japan. At least the national security minister is his friend. He knows the CID boss omunia ye ne nanfofo enti se Madina fo sorry say hey waka say yembo yenia o de not even after Ahmed ewu ye no time na waka say yenchi ne mbo no kra no na nka Madina fo sorry ye ekọ Kennedy Japan bebi a na tu ne Oman FM no ewo no Ken City Media Kennedy Japan so won hwe say dabi imbebunu no emra mbese me nyama nti obviously police for beba bejina na national security beba bejino se Madina fonso ka se national security for ba ye mpene na ekodane ntokwa na nka ntokwa no hwan na akose. Simple questions I'm asking. Na nka sa ntokwa no hwan na de ntokwa ne ba ye eye media for na de ba ye eye media for na de ba ya na. Imagine say Kenya Japan ko tena Asempa FM de na wakaso wo bema Sami Jemfi atini beat. Imagine say NDC mebunu sorry say hey odon sa ka ye nipa yempene hey ne yakọ Oman FM ho edigidigidi ebufuo mu akọ na Kenya Japan so nkrofo say hey nso yempene ma na ekoda ne ntokwa etiefo na sa ntokwa no ho na de bae. Mi bisawo na nka sa ntokwa no hwan ene de bae. So it's clear. Let's not try to. And you see, today I also went on a presidential staffer. The profile be so and me share nyama bi. Ono so nsemo a work no and the media is there and the media is there. And you see, but to be fair, to be very very fair, I'll not blame just the NPP on an issue like this. Even the NDC crowd one more time so sir. And akwa dane say Ghana politics na sa neti. Once you are in government, you see that the media is against you because ejuma media na be yan say the media will criticize you more. It is clear like sa neti everywhere. O aban mu a eya wo ene yesika nyina ekọ ho. Una hold the resources so you don't expect say people will criticize your opponents like you. Eya wo na edi bibia hye unsem. Una will take all the decisions. It is normal. It is very, very normal. So, aban mu a, yes, the media in a way na so me hwehwe won nsem mu dodo because esika wo ho. No obi a me sika wo ho no ma me hwehwe won nsem mu. Eh, won besa me hwehwe won nsem mu. Obi a okita me sika. Me hwehwe won nsem mu. Me hwehwe mo sen de won kra me sika. And so politicians need to understand this. They shouldn't say the media is against them because I quite remember Asempa FM and multimedia and so and NDC was no. Almost the same comments and NDC for pass it. And the media no, one more time, and the media no, one more time. But it looks as if say NDC 4 times at least they were a bit tolerant to the media. But this time around there. Oh, your media personality be and then I say all those people we saw as big media personalities. See, you just say you are dragging woman in the mud within someone who become cry. And it is one person do no, and one person. My mama watch say a formula. Maybe I see a formula behind it. 3 people. One more yes idea way. Kennedy Japan. Chairman Woon to me. Abronye. These 3 people. If you're a media personality, my Ghana mu, now we know you who say now you're the Watu, a legendary pedestal. You're making sure say sound microphone now you go mu ni mu ase, my way mu. And it started with Anas, the big fish himself. Into Anas krano, you didn't ball for no. Imagine. This is the only media personality. And one of the only media personalities are waka wano they still to make Canadian authorities. Benadavle. And funny ho. But no can no de he enche. O de mark and that wo. Enche Benadavle so ye be sha say ye keka nsem afane ho. Because whoever thought say Anas can ke betumi aye nesa. Media personality bia wo be ye na adwen say wo criticize aban bia. Hey. Kennedy Japan beba. Oh, wakojiska, we corrupt. Oh, wakojiska. Sani ni nechi last minute. Eno liko go your friends and Captain Smart so no. Say and waba be free aircon. No ntiaye nsem bebre. Na Ghana for but eno no Ghana for bebre na ba bontin be bisa ne say na asem a ye ken ye no fa ho ben. Obi ne obi enya asem. Na okoka asem hu ne say wa ban culture of silence ebe mu na o say Captain Smart abe free away and no so far asem me ho ben. And so that is what is happening in this country now. At least during NDC's time, I am part of the media. So at least during NDC's time, we didn't see attacks like this. Say NDC MPB, NDC personality be attacking the media like this. We didn't see it. I want to say, and then Kelvin Taylor and someone work and was say Kennedy Japan adie bia wo beka asem bia wo beka na adie bia wo beye bia no, he has full support from President Akufo-Addo. For me, I don't want to believe all those things because I want to believe say Kennedy Japan is a man of his own. Utie if Kennedy Japan wane ne baby mama mo kan ne baby mama bi na wane ne benya asem no, if ne nsem a wo kan anything to go by a ono kra be kan nsem bi say do baby kra no Kennedy Japan kra bofu Akufo-Addo e kan sem asa ono kra mfi Akufo-Addo bi no nsem bebrebe but na different issue. So it tells you Kennedy Japan is a man of his own. And yet Sebe President Akufo-Addo na be kan asem a no na wa ba be kan wono abe kan de opeso okan. But clearly the media, it just shows how we've been intolerant to the media, and now we want to blame the media for something. Say the media will cause war because it's a false reportage. You see, I normally to join news for so. Say it is a false reportage, and a woman de buy na branch no onye fix the gun and fix the country ni a branch and so no ne brand e kunu na false reportage. Reportage when Air Force. What is the false reportage you are talking about? Me the mama mo ati ase. So our police phone some more can I don't trust them because precedents. You want my way we see now they who the AC. Intermediate. Just somewhere down on the Montreal comment box no more. Me that say.